my dear friends, today we are going to make super soft and tasty rice pathiri. To a pan, pour 3 glasses of water and boil them. Add some salt. When it starts to boil, add 3 glasses of roasted rice powder. Mix them warm. Transfer it to a bowl and punch and knead them. Wet your hands if required and knead them well. When you get soft and non-sticky dough, it is ready. Make small balls out of it. Make small balls out of the dough. Now all balls are ready. Place the small balls in a chapati presser and make a thin pathiri out of it. Dust them with some rice flour. After pressing all the balls, dust out the rice flour. Now place it on a hot tawa and cook it for 30 seconds and flip it over. Repeat the same with the rest of the pathiris. Press them gently. It puffs up well. Cook them. Make sure that it does not turn out to be brown. Repeat the same with all the pathiris. Now all pathiris are ready to serve. You can serve it with coconut milk or Nadan chicken curry. If you haven't seen my Nadan chicken curry, please find the link in the description box. Do try it and let me know in the comments.